Historian Adrian Johns, who investigated the history of scientific research and reading, discusses the current iteration of the reading wars. He suggests that resolving issues in how we teach reading is possible if we approach those promoting competing ideas with a spirit of curiosity in order to see what may be learned. We typically think of curiosity as a desire to learn about something. For example, I'm curious about how philosophers thought about literacy during the historical era of the Enlightenment. Therefore, I read books on the topic, listen to lectures by current philosophers, and read scholarly papers and historians' analyses of the Enlightenment. My curiosity is essential in truly understanding enlightened literacy. But there is more to curiosity than a merely unexamined search for knowledge. The origin of the word curious is the Latin word cura, which means care. This makes sense when you think about words that are derived from this Latin root. Accurate, meaning done with care. Curator, a custodian of collections or artifacts in museums. Or curative, meaning something that has the ability to cure. Therefore, I believe having a spirit of curiosity comes with responsibility. This responsibility would be undergirded by a devotion to accuracy in what we actually discover, even if it challenges our preconceived notions or beliefs. It would be structurally reinforced by an ethic of care as we attain new knowledge, particularly as this new knowledge empowers us to impact others as we ourselves become transformed. Having a spirit of curiosity can be viewed through the lens of an ethic of care. Nel Noddings is credited with bringing this philosophical concept to the field of education. Effective teaching is about the relationship between one who cares for another and the one who receives the care. Indeed, the ability to develop a classroom in which curiosity can thrive is dependent upon a caring teacher. Renowned scientists, mathematicians, and philosophers have long embraced a spirit of curiosity in their research. Theoretical physicist Richard Feynman employed thought experiments to ponder how a Martian might view life as an Earthling. Albert Einstein used visualization techniques to ponder interactions between movement and light. And Bertrand Russell posed paradoxes as he developed the concept of set theory and logic in the field of mathematics. When asked in 1958 what advice he would give humankind 1,000 years in the future, Russell stated that those engaged in inquiry of any kind should only ask, what are the facts and what is the truth the facts bear out? He went on to explain, love is wise, hatred is foolish. In this world, which is getting more and more closely interconnected, we have to learn to tolerate each other. The spirit of curiosity, undergirded by an ethic of care, holds great promise for enlightened literacy to imagine a better world. As Russell's advice illustrates, intellectual knowledge requires a reliance on facts, but a focus on humanity is necessary in considering how we live and interact with each other. Curiosity can lead us to examine other perspectives and the lived realities of other humans in order to question why things are the way they are and consider alternatives. Perhaps Alfred North Whitehead put it even more succinctly. Considering what's more important, facts or ideas, Whitehead asserted, ideas about the facts. While facts are of utmost importance, what we know as fact can change when we imagine alternate ways of visualizing possibilities, always with a focus on the care and well-being of humanity.